Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witch's Roots box for September. And I am very excited because this smells amazing. Came in a mailer. Smells amazing. Let's see what's inside. Looks like a... Ooh, so pretty. Echinacea. Pretty, pretty. Wow, it smells so good. Ritual Potency. Ooh la la. Let's see what's inside. I love the tissue. I love the dealy bobs. I love the smell. God, it smells like heaven. Cool. Echinacea, yeah. And we've got a spray. Whoop whoop. I love sprays. Changing it up. Although, oh, Serenity. Nice. Let me smell it. Ooh, it smells divine. I love it. Very nice. Here's a spritzer. Let's see our pretty candle. Ooh. It's got something on it and it smells delicious. This box has just got, like, it is raising my vibration. I'm telling you right now, I'm getting so much good vibes from it. I highly recommend it. I love this freaking box. Palo Santo. One of my absolute favorite items. You can never have too much sage or Palo Santo. It's just not science. Not scientifically possible. Ooh, I feel a pretty, pretty bracelet. Oh, wow. I love it. I love it. I love it. So far, we're hitting gold. Striking it out, up to down. Oh, I love these coins. Spiritual evolution. With the spiraling line of mystery, I seek to evolve my soul to be clear and free by those who come before and come after me, creating a world of pure harmony. Beautiful. And of course, this incense. Oh, the smell is pure, unadulterated heaven. So let's check it out. Ritual. Ah! It's stuck to. Let me see here. Oh my goodness. I lost my crystal. Or my. If I can speak English. There it is. Oh my goodness gracious. Sorry about that. Alright, where were we? As practitioners, we are always looking for and collecting tools that may help strengthen our intentional spell working. Along with strengthening our work, there are many forms of preparation and that is necessary to bring a sense of clarity and withstanding to the energy that we begin to create. As we cleanse and set the mood throughout our sacred space, we already begin to become attuned to the spiritual and divine realm. These forms of the craft tie together to create an envisioned field of communication between our spirit and those that are among us, eager to assist and guide us through meditation and ritual work. We truly know what the quality of our manifestation lies within this. We truly know that the quality of our manifestation lies within the seriousness of the energy that we create during our manipulation of intentions. We have created and sourced these very items to bring potency to your rituals so that you may carry your manifestations through to fruition. And the magical items in the box are as follows. Echinacea herb. Echinacea has always had a designated spot in our witch's cabinet, heavily relied upon during times of hyper-focused intention setting. As stated with the Echinacea herbal grimoire artwork, carrying Echinacea helps to cleanse impurities, negative thought patterns, or unhelpful programming, providing inner strength during trying times. Added to herbal potions and incenses, Echinacea increases the effectiveness of magical workings and serves as a useful elixir for spell work that has stagnated. Grown around or near the home, Echinacea protects the family from poverty, while fresh flowers in the home draw in prosperity and good luck. Many peoples of the North American plains considered echinacea to be the premier herbal remedy, which was usually reserved as an offering to tutelary spirits of the land. Also a wonderful form of gratitude offering, echinacea can be placed among altars adorning goddesses in favor of recognition. A commonly known herb of healing, echinacea has been recognized by many cultures for its ability to bring speediness to recovery. As you become comfortable with the echinacea herb, allow its energy to bring you strength and stamina so that you may push your intentions into healthy manifestation. As with working with any herb, we recommend taking your time. As you experiment with the uses of each of these herbs, form a personal opinion for yourself. How you connect with each herb may be different than others. We urge you to stay honest to your instincts and psychic preparations. Serenity Ritual Aura Spray. It's the intention of forming a calm and knowing energy suitable for times of needed focus and clarity. As we work to create the setting in which we perform spells and meditations, we work on maintaining a soothing and sure mindset. As you lightly spray the Serenity Ritual Aura Spray around your energetic body, visualize your worries and anxiety easily floating away as if unbothered. So it has white tea, ylang ylang, lavender, and ginger. Special mixture of our Stillness Magical Oil. Wonderful. Smells great. Movement Spell Candle with Palo Santo Stick. We have hand rolled this spell candle with the intention of breaking apart emotional stagnation. As you light your Palo Santo stick, allow the smoke to cleanse and sanctify the energy around you. Thereafter, allow the flame from this movement candle to dance throughout your spirit. Palo Santo incense sticks. Yes, that's what that wonderful smell is. It's my favorite. We have included the Spiritual Evolution Spell Charm, which is this, Amazonite bracelet, and echinacea herbal artwork. I love it. It's wonderful. It's perfect. I love this box. I have no complaints, and I never have. Maybe the rose, but even the rose, I liked all the other stuff, and it wasn't super rosy smelling. So I'm gonna leave a link below. This box is $29. Oh, it's a wonderful deal. It's so cool. I love it so much. I really feel like you get your money's worth with this box, and it's not just random things. It always has a set, unified intention. The items are quality. I sometimes notice that some of the things I've gotten in some of my boxes I felt like were just randomly ordered online, and it has started to bug me a little bit just because I feel like I'm so much more connected to the things that I feel like are handmade, and I have never felt that way about Witch's Moon or Witch's Root. I've always felt like every item has been handmade, ethically sourced. Like, I'm not going to be able to find this on Amazon for the most part. I might be able to find some kind of Amazonite bracelet that looks kind of similar, and maybe some lower quality Palo Santo incense, but the point is I want it to be handcrafted, and I'm going to start culling my boxes to reflect what I'm really looking for, because I get this misguided sense of loyalty where it's like, oh well, I like this person and I really want their box to succeed, but I really have to let that go, because frankly I only want to keep boxes that I really feel like I'm getting the value of the box in handmade intention and feeling this person's crafting ability in it. So that's my soapbox. Stay tuned. You'll see more of that changes as the fall progresses. Oh, I forgot to mention there's going to be a surprise giveaway coming up. A very, very special one. So stay tuned. And I'll leave it at that. Love you guys so much. As always, please like, comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I've been having some fluctuation with my subscribers, and I think it's because I'm kind of easing away from K-Beauty boxes for the time being. And I'm doing more spiritual, magical videos, and that's okay. That's totally fine. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good night.